Where do you want to go fishing? Let's go fishing here. On the sea. Before you go, let's see what tools to bring. Binoculars. Compass. Fishing net. The fishing net is broken. Let's fix it. Let's trim the tear first. Fish net is fixed. Yeah! Let's go fishing! Where are the shoals of fish? Let's find them with binoculars. A group of sardines was found. Mackerels were found. Here is a group of Sardinella zunasi. A shoal of fish is here. Start fishing boat and chase the shoals of fish. A shoal of fish is caught. Let's pull up the fish net. There is still some left. There is a lot of trash. Let's pick it up. Keep going. There is less trash now. Wow, fantastic work! The shoal of fish is gone. Let's go after it. A shoal of fish is caught. Let's pull up the fish net. The last shoal of fish is over here. Let's chase away the seagulls. The seagulls are gone. Let's start fishing. A shoal of fish is caught. Let's pull up the fish net. We finished fishing! You are awesome! Reward you with a sticker! Let's go fishing here. On the ice. Before you go, let's see what tools to bring. Fish food box. Ice driller. Fishing rod. Let's assemble the fishing rod first before fishing. Put on these components. Float. Plummet. Adapter ring. Fish hook. Tie the fish hook tightly to catch big fish. The fishing rod is ready! Yeah! Let's go fishing! What What kinds of fish are there under the ice? Let's drill holes on the ice and start fishing. First, drill some holes on the ice. Bait the hook with food the fish like. Start fishing. The fish are on the hook. Keep going. Ah, we have got to shoot. Oh no, they are aquatic plants. There are still a lot of fish. Let's catch them. Great job! We have caught a lot of fish. Reward you with a sticker. Let's at the pond. Before you go, let's see what tools to bring. Gloves, fishing net, fish food box. We're out of fish food. Let's make some more. Some corn kernels are needed to make fish food. Once ready, the fish food has to be put in a box. Fresh fish food is ready. Yeah! Let's go fishing! There are a lot of fish in the pond. Let's look for them. The small fish are hiding. Let's remove the lotus leaves. And then feed the small fish. Let's start fishing. Can you catch this fish? Tap to remove the frog. Let's keep fishing. Let's remove the leaves. Let's keep fishing. you with a sticker. What kind? Under the sea. Before you go, let's see what tools to bring. Binoculars. Spear gun. Oxygen tank. We're out of oxygen. Let's inflate the oxygen tank. Connect the air pipe first. Start pumping oxygen. Oxygen tank is ready. Yeah! Let's go fishing! There are many beautiful fish underwater. Let's look for them. Let's follow the small fish to find the shoals of fish. The shoals of fish are found. Let's catch them. Help me catch the fish. I want this fish. I want this fish. I want this fish. Let's swim back to the surface of water safely. Great work! Successful underwater fishing! Reward you with a sticker!